Hello, friends. This is Hartaj from New Careers Academy. Well, I'm sitting before you to discuss the CDS 1 2021 paper for the mathematics. Now, in this section, I've already solved the arithmetic portion. What I'm going to do is I'm going to continue with the second portion, that would be that of your statistics and your data interpretation. Well, this entire section is completely based on arithmetic or your basic calculations. If your basic calculations are poor, it's going to be a problem. That is where the arithmetic and all the other calculations make a lot of a difference. So I would genuinely, that's what we tell everybody, is to make sure that your averages are good, the ratio proportions are good, and that's the entire section that we'll be going through. As I said again, it's each question is of 1 minute, so you can easily finish the paper. These 10 questions, there were 10 questions in this paper within a total of 10 minutes. I'll be solving that paper and I'll be sharing it with you, and to make sure that you can continue with the channel, you can continue seeing the different questions, how do we solve it, and easily you can score 60 marks in mathematics, which automatically means lesser marks required in your GK and English. So let's continue further without any more wasting of time. Right, everybody. So I'll be continuing now with the questions that came in the CDS. This is the CDS 1 2021 paper. These are the 10 questions which were from statistics and data interpretation. So let's quickly start with it. Consider the following data with regards to production of car. There is country A, and it once said there's number of lakhs of cars. In 2016, the number of cars. In which of the countries the production of cars has increased by more or equal than 5% in 2016 over 2015? Now, if you've done your ratio proportion very well, what is 5% in terms of ratio? 1 by 20. That's all. So let's look at the different figures that we have. A figure says it has increased from 2015 to 16, 3 by 35, which is less than 1 by 20, because जैसे 1 by 10 होता है 10%, तो 1 by 20 से तो कम आ रहा है ये approximately 1 by 12 है. आपको पूरा सॉल्व करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है ये क्वेश्चन. So A is the correct answer. B का बात करें 2 by 45, this becomes 1 by 22 point something, which is more than 5%. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? अगर हम बात करें जैसे 1 by 25 4% होता है. मैं आपको एक फ्रैक्शंस का बेसिक रूल बताता हूँ. अगर 1 by 25% है तो 1 by 25 4% होएगा. तो अगर 20 से बड़ा नंबर बन रहा है नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में, वो 5% से कम होगा. तो बी आंसर इज करेक्ट. इज रॉन्ग बिकॉज वो 2 by 45 है, which is 1 by 22.5. So any answer with B is wrong. Next is 5 by 88. इसको simplify किया. 5 by 88 would be 1 by 18. This is again less than 20. Again simplified, so C is also correct. A C correct हो गया. D के लिए 4 by 75 approximately हो गया 1 by 19. ये भी correct हो गया. Echo के लिए हो गया 2.9 upon 58, और इसको 3 by 58 लिख सकते हैं. approximately 3 by 58 लिख दिया. That would be 1 by 19 again, which is again, so the answer would be A, B, C, D and echo only. So it will be Charlie. Next question. It's again very simple question. From the following data shows the total number of marks of 90 students in a test of 80 marks. 90 students थे, test के marks थे 80. The marks of the test is 80. That is something that we need to understand. The marks of the test is 80. The students were 90. Now, the percentage of students who have obtained less marks or equal to 50%. Again, ये completely percentage पे based है. 80 marks का paper है, तो अगर students के 40 से कम आ रहे हैं, the percentage of students who have obtained less than or equal to 50 marks, that means it has to be ये वाले students इसके ऊपर. 13 plus 10, 23, 23 plus 8, 31, 31 plus 5, 36, 36 students के 50% से कम आ रहे हैं या इक्वल आ रहे हैं. कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं? 90. कितना हो गया आंसर? 40%. Again 1 minute question, and this is when I'm explaining to you. Suppose your speed is good, you'd be able to do it in much lesser time. What is the median of the following data? Very simple question. -1, 2. हम क्या करते हैं इसको?
we write it down in terms of your ascending numbers. Now, how many numbers are there? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven का middle number क्या होता है? Third. That is the fourth number, जो है three. Answer done. What is the arithmetic mean of the 10 composite numbers? सबसे पहले you need to understand what is a composite number. A number which is not prime is known as a composite number. So which are the numbers not prime here? 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14. First 10. The one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next is 16. 15 is also non-composite. 16. And the last one we have is 18. अब इस सब का एडिशन करके आपने अरिथमेटिक मीन निकालना है. सबसे छोटा नंबर क्या है? 4. डिफरेंस कितना आ गया? 2. और सीधे ही ऐड कर देते हैं. 4 प्लस 6 10. 10 प्लस 8 is your 18. 18 plus 12. 18 plus 12 will make it 30. 40. 49. 49 plus another 30 would make it 49 plus 30 would make it 79. 79 plus 18, 79 plus 20 would make it 99. 99 minus 2 is 97. 97 plus 10 is 107 plus 5 is 112. 112 divided by 10 numbers, the answer is 11.2, again based on simple mathematics, which is a part of the averages. Fourth question, the marks obtained by 5 students in a class are 19. हम order wise लिख देते हैं. 19, 21, 27, 26 and 32. Later on, 5 marks grace was added to each student. What is the average marks for the revised marks? हर किसी के आपने 5 ऐड कर दी. पहले तो अभी की एवरेज निकाल लेते हैं. सबसे छोटा नंबर क्या? 19. इसका डिफरेंस क्या है? 2. देन इसको सिंपल तरीका करने का मैं बता रहा हूँ. इसका 8 हो जाएगा, इसका 7, दिस वुड बी 13. सो 13 प्लस 7 वुड मेक इट 20. 20 plus 10 would make it 30. 30 divided by 5 would make it 6. So what we do is the smallest number was 19 plus 6. The new average is 25. What we did, we added 5 marks each. So 25 plus 5, what's the new average marks? 30. ये average का हिस्सा है, which is there given in statistics. Okay, next question. Again, a very simple question, and I'm going to use simple maths. Let P be the mean of M observations. P be the mean of N observations. हम क्या बोलते हैं? And Q be the mean of N observations where P is less than Q. So हम बोलते हैं हमारे पास 5 observations थे. M is 5. P comes out to be 3. This is the mean, the central value. And Q be the mean of N observation. N observations हम 3 कर देते हैं. 6, 7, and 8, what would be Q? Q would be 7. Now, what is correct is P is less than equal to Q. हमने satisfy कर लिया equation. If the combined mean of M plus N 1 to 8, इसका combined mean क्या हो जाएगा? 4 plus 4.5, that would be the combined mean, because central value क्या आएगी? 4 और 5, इसको 2 से divide करेंगे 4.5 आ जाएगा. Is C, so C का value आया 4.5. Then which of the following is correct? C is less than or equal to P? नहीं है. C is greater than P, which is correct, and less than Q. Q का value क्या था? 7. So C क्या है? 4.5. हमारे पास P क्या है? हमारा 3 और Q क्या है? 7. हमने कोई value assume कर लिया, उससे solve कर लिया answer. Is it clear or not? Right, gentlemen, now coming to this question, these are 4 questions related to your data interpretation. So what he says, consider the next four items, consider the following data with regard to different types of the commodities that multivitamins are there. ये आपके 4 टाइप के मल्टीविटामिन 5 टाइप के मल्टीविटामिन हैं जो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट साल में प्रोड्यूस किए गए हैं. 2000 में टोटल मल्टीविटामिन कितने प्रोड्यूस किए गए हैं वो आपको ऐसे पता लगेगा. राइट. What is the production? Which product is produced the least over 2000 to 2005? तो 2000 to 2005 सबसे कम कौन सा प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस किया गया है? From 2000 to 2005 it would be like this. ये टोटल अगर हम वर्टिकली देखें this would be the entire thing, right? अगर हम इसको ऐसे देखेंगे ये पूरा टाइप 1 प्रोडक्ट 2000 से 2005 का है. तो हमें एक ऐसे एडिशन ऐड करना पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं इजी करने के लिए. Which are the following pairs of years with the difference in total number of total number of tablets produced between them is minimum in 2003 to 2005? That's what they're asking. Minimum in 2003 to 2005. तो अब उसके लिए हमें ऐसे को निकालना पड़ेगा. ये 2003 में ऑल टाइप ऑफ टेबलेट्स है, ये 2005 की ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ टेबलेट्स है, तो वी हैव टू यूज बेसिक एडिशन. दैट्स इट. नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड द ग्रास्प ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, वील बी एबल टू डू इट. अगेन मैं रिपीट कर देता हूँ. ये 2001 में फर्स्ट टाइप की टेबलेट कितनी प्रोड्यूस थी, ये 2000 में सेकेंड टाइप की टेबलेट कितनी प्रोड्यूस थी, ये 2000 में थर्ड टाइप की टेबलेट कितनी प्रोड्यूस थी. दैट्स व्हाट इट सेज. और अगर हम इन सबको देखें, ये टेबलेट 2 फ्रॉम 2000 टू 2005 है. तो ये एडिशन पे होएगा, हमें दोनों साइड्स का एडिशन करना और कुछ नहीं करना. सो लेट्स ऐड इट अप. 160 plus 80 would make it 240. 240 plus 70 would make it 310. 310 plus 90 would make it 400. 400 plus 75 is 475. तो मैं इसको कलर डाटा से कर देता हूँ. अब सिंपल सा बात है. 200 plus 150 is 350. 350 plus 100 is 450. 450 plus 160 is 610 plus 85 is 695 is what we do. 135 plus 35, what this would be 140 plus 30, 170. 170 plus 44 would be 214. 214 plus 1, this would be 180. 214 plus 180, तो इसको ऐड करना है. हम सिंपल से ऐड करते हैं. 218 plus 200 कर देते हैं. 414 minus 20, that would be 394. 240, 360. 360 plus 200, 360 plus 200 is 560. 560 plus 100 is 660, because minus 5, because 95 है, तो ये हो जाएगा 655. Is it clear, everybody? The next one, I'll just quickly do it. 180 plus 110, 290. 290 plus, अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है, इन दोनों को ऐड कर दो. This would become 210. So you have 290 plus 210, that would make it approximately 600. 600 plus 85 would make it 6, sorry, this would be 290. 290 plus 210, that would be make it 500. 500 plus 85 would be 585. Is this clear or not? Okay. The mistake that you make, as in my case, would be you will try to do it too fast. So take your time a bit. I think so you'll be able to do the question very easily. 210, 150, 360, 460. 460 plus 110 would make it 570. 570 plus 100 would make it sorry, this is, let me just do it again. 360. 360 plus 100 is 360 plus 100 would be 460. 460 plus 10, 570. 570 plus 100 would be 670, minus 2 minus 8 would be 662. Okay. Now we're going to add it like this, add it like this, add it like this. So I'm going to use a black color pen because we would be requiring it. Okay. This would be 360. 360 plus 240 would make it 360 plus 40 would make it 400. 400 plus 200 would make 600. 600 plus 200 would make it 810. 810 plus 100 would make it 710. 710 plus 80 would make it 790. 790 plus 100 would make it 890. And this, I think so, one second, let me just do it again. 160. 360. 360 plus 40 would make it 400. 600. 600 plus 200 would make it 810. 810 plus 100 would make it 910 plus 10 would make it 990. 990 plus 100 would make it 1090. 1090 plus 30 would make it 1125. That's the answer. Okay. 230. 230 plus 260, 490. 490 plus 100 would make it 590 plus 30, 620. That's the answer. Okay, let's quickly add this now. 100, 120 to 185. 205, 305. 305 plus 5 would make it 310. 310 plus 80 would make it 390. Plus 70 would make it 460. 460 plus 44 would make it 504. Great. 250. 250 plus 100 would make it 345. 345 plus 95. 345 plus 5 would make it 350. Plus 90 would make it 440. 440 plus 80 would make it 520. 520 plus 910 would make it 612. That's my answer. This would be 175 plus 85. 175 plus 5 would make it 180. 180 plus 80 would make it 260. 260 plus 120 would make it 380. 380 plus 100 and plus 200 would make it 580. 580 plus 25 would make it 605, and that would be our answers now. The only thing was record just doing this. That's it. Just recording all these numbers. Which product is produced least over 2000 to 2005? अब ये देखो, ये प्रोडक्ट वन, ये प्रोडक्ट टू, ये प्रोडक्ट थ्री, प्रोडक्ट फोर, सबसे कम कौन सा है? 504. कौन सा है वो? टाइप थ्री. दैट्स योर आंसर. डन. एक बार कैलकुलेशन करना, दैट्स इट. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स द डिफरेंस इन टोटल नंबर ऑफ टेबलेट्स प्रोड्यूस्ड बिटवीन देम इज मिनिमम 2003 to 2005? अगर ये देखते हैं, 2003 में कितने प्रोडक्ट्स बने थे? 655. एंड 2005 में कितने बने थे? 662. दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना है? 7. आई डोंट थिंक सो कोई नंबर ऐसा भी इसके पास में आएगा. 2001 to 2005 the difference is much more. 695 to 662, the difference is more than 7. 2003 to 2004, 2003 में 655 थे और 2004 में 585 थे. ऑफ कोर्स मोर देन दैट है. नेक्स्ट आया हमारा 2000 2002, 394 और 475. ये भी ज़्यादा है, तो आंसर इज ए. The ratio percentage in the drop of total production from 2004 to 2001. 2004 में प्रोडक्शन थी 585, 2001 में होगी 695. तो डिफरेंस कितना आया? 695 और 585 में डिफरेंस कितना आया? 110. कंपेयर टू, सिंस 2 आ गया पीछे, तो डिवाइडेड बाय 2001 की प्रोडक्शन करेंगे. 2001 की प्रोडक्शन है 695. 2000 कंपेयर टू 2001. 2000 में है 475 और 2001 में है 695. तो इनका डिफरेंस हुआ 695 और 475 का डिफरेंस हुआ 220. अगेन कंपेयर टू 2001, तो डिवाइडेड बाय 2001 होएगा. ये और ये कैंसिल हो गया. 110. इसका रेशियो क्या है? 1:2 हो गया. अगेन सिंपल. In which year the production of type 1 is more than the sum of the production of type 3 and type 4? 2001 पूछता है पहला, हम देखते हैं इसमें है कि नहीं. Again, as I said, in which year the production of type 1, we only have to look at type 1, is more than type 3 and 4. 1, 3 and 4 in the year 2001. 2001 में इसका प्रोडक्शन है 2000. 3 and 4 का टोटल प्रोडक्शन है 245, which is not correct. सेकेंड ऑप्शन लिया हमने 2002. 2002 में 135, 44 plus 95. So 135 is still less than this number because हम 40 ऐड करते हैं 135 हो जाता है, ये तो इक्वली हो जाता है, मोर देन दैट हो जाता है. 2003 में गए 1, 3 and 4 को कंपेयर करना है. 2003 में गए 240, 120 plus 180. So 240 is greater than 120 plus 80. That is justified the question. The first type of production is more than the third and fourth type of production. So answer is 2003. And that is your 10 questions done. Of course, I understand there's pressure, but the point of addition, now this is where arithmetic on all your basic concepts are going to come into place. So make sure that you do them properly. I'm going to be continuing with this series. I'm going to be doing those questions in the smallest time possible and also tell you the shortcuts for the same. So that will help you understand how the paper was to be attempted. Wishing you all the best. Subscribe if you like the channel, and then again, you can share it up about the questions, how they are.